Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna make breakfast right now, okay? And I'm gonna make a breakfast bagel, okay? So this will be just a breakfast bagel that I saw online and I decided to make it here also, okay? So let's make a breakfast bagel, okay? And the only thing you're gonna need is you can use whatever sausage you want, but I'm gonna use the Jimmy Dean, and I want it kind of spicy, so I got the hot sausage. Okay, so it's Jimmy Dean hot sausage. Okay, and then you're gonna need some cheddar jack cheese is what I'm using, but you can use whatever cheese you want. And I'm using some bagels. Okay, and this is the everything bagels. Okay, and this is all we're gonna need, you guys. Really simple breakfast, but it's gonna be so delicious. Okay, so come on, come cook with me. So come on, come cook with me. Let's make a breakfast bagel. Okay, all right, let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna move all this out the way, and we're gonna go to the stove in just a minute for this. Okay, so we're gonna take the bagels out. Okay, let me get the, oh, hold on. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna make these for the work week, so I'll make, well, might as well just use them all up. Okay, so we're gonna use all of these, the whole bag, okay? And I'll have my breakfast for the week. So I'll just reach into the refrigerator and grab my breakfast on my way out to work this week. Gonna be ready. Okay. All right. And I have some more of the sprinkle bagel mix, the everything bagel seasoning. I have some of that also. Okay. Okay. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm off today, so I'm gonna make the most of this day, get ready for my week. You guys, you can get some more of this too. Okay, so we're done with this part. Okay, so now we're gonna head over to the stove and we're gonna cook the sausage. Okay, look at that. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna cook the sausage. Okay, all right, this is the Jimmy Dean sausage. Okay. This meal is not gonna take long to make, you guys, so it's pretty quick. Something to get you out the door, or you can prepare it at night, the day before, like I'm doing. You don't have to worry about this in the morning. And you can preheat your oven to 350, you guys, because we're gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. Melt the cheese, okay? So preheat your oven if you're cooking with me. See, we're almost done already, you guys. Very quick meal. favorite sausage. My favorite sausage is the Jimmy Dean when it comes to sausage. But I also like the Italian one, but I love Jimmy Dean. And I'm trying to make this kind of small, so I'm going to use my smasher thingy. Ooh, sorry about the noise, you guys. I just don't want the pieces to be too big. Oops, that's the oven, so the oven's ready. So let's go make our breakfast bagels so that we can put them in the oven, okay? So I'll meet you over here, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna get my pan that I'm gonna use. I'll sit it right here beside me. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna make the bagels. Just 1 minute. Okay, yeah. All right, so first off, you guys, you know what I should have did was put some, but I'll just use the cheese. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put some cheese. We're gonna grab a bagel. Maybe I shouldn't have grabbed so much at one time. We're gonna put the cheese on it. Okay, and then we're gonna grab some sausage. Ooh, I should have got some gloves. Just a minute, you guys. Let me get some gloves because it would be much easier for me to just grab it. So just 1 minute, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna use my hand. And you're just gonna add the sausage around your bagel. Okay, just like that. And then you're gonna have to go in and add some more cheese. Making a mess here. All right, so now you're gonna top it with some more cheese. Can stick to it when we bake it. Okay, just like that. All right. Just like that, you guys, all right? And then you have your bagel, your breakfast bagel. Look at that. It's gonna be so delicious. You wanna make breakfast for your family in the morning? This is a fun breakfast for them. Speed it up for you. so I'm done. Alright, so I'm just adding them, and I ran out of cheese halfway through, and I had to add some cheddar cheese, the sharp cheddar cheese. That's why it's a little different color. Okay, so I'm adding them to the pan right now. Okay, you guys. Ooh, I made a lot. Okay, you guys, look at that. Ooh, look at that. See? Now we're gonna go bake them, okay? Gonna go bake them now, okay? Alright, so now we're just gonna go bake. The oven is on 350 so the cheese melts. Alright, so I'm going to the oven now. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna bake them. Okay, just let them bake until the cheese is melted, okay? Alright. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys, it's ready. It's been about 6 minutes, and I'm taking them out. Voila. Look at that. Don't they look good? Okay, here we have it. There you have it. Look at that. Don't that look good? Looks so delicious. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add some more of the just for the look of it. I want it to look nice, and I think I want some more of the everything bagel on it. So I'm just gonna add a little sprinkle, just give it a little more, Okay. And if you wanted to add some vegetable on top, because I was thinking about adding some vegetable, but I just didn't have the energy to cut up any. But you can add some tomatoes or onions or whatever you want to add on it. But this will be my breakfast for the week. Breakfast bagels with sausage and cheese. It's gonna be so good. Okay, now gotta put some in a plate so I can do my spinner. Okay, you guys, hold on. All right, you guys. So that's how it's looking right now. Breakfast bagels with sausage and cheese. Okay, all right, so hold on. And there you have it. You have your breakfast bagels topped with Jimmy Dean sausage and cheese, and then the everything bagel seasoning. Okay, you guys, that's it. Don't they look delicious? Okay, you guys, try this at home and see if you guys like it, okay? All right, you guys. And there you have it. You have your breakfast bagels. And there you have it. You have your breakfast bagels. Breakfast bagels, you guys. Okay? All right, you guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to check out all my playlists, you guys. I have them all organized for you, okay? All right. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Yummy. Don't it look delicious? Look at that. Take a closer look. Delish.